Hi, in last video we created a user, and as you see when you log in it's displayed the email address from the user. Maybe for some reason you don't like the user being able to public the email address, or if maybe you like to the user be enabled to display some friendly username like a real name or nickname. That's because I'm creating this video to show you how to change the email address to a friendly username. Let's go to our project and let's see when you're creating the user what's happening exactly. When you register the user, the magic's happening here. It's going to create a new application user, and it's filled for username, in this case the model email address, and for email address it's going to take the same value. It's mean you can change this to get something else. And also let's go to login, and if you go to definition, you see here it's need some string value for username and some string value from password. Actually it's getting from model. We can change the username instead the email address to something else. And let's take a look to web config file, and in this section it's using the default connection. It's some connection that pointing to my server, and let's see our server. It's created already some table for ASP.NET user. Let's go and see what kind of data is inside of it. As you see, it's every user has ID and email address and some other fields, and the important things is here the username. The username field here, it means you can also take some other string value for displaying the username. For being able to do that, to get some value from user for registering. In this section you see it's getting email address, and we need that for registering the user. I'll copy this and I will paste at top. Instead the email address, I need something like user name. It's turning red because in my model I don't have that, and also I do it for my logging view. I will put some username for label, username for getting value, and this one for validation, because the username be required. Okay, we done with our view. Let's go to model and change something in model. Okay, in model, for register view model, we need the email address. We leave it. I just copy this and paste on top, and just change it to username for label and some string value username for this because it's not the email address anymore, we can delete this validation. It's only required display name is username and getting some string value for username. We also do this for login. Login, we don't need the email address anymore. That's because delete this and put some value for display, and to get the username from user. Okay, now we changed this. Let's save it. Let's go to controls and let's go to login. In our login view, we're getting the username from form. Okay, and for registration, we're getting the username from model also. Okay, if I don't forget something, it should work now. Okay, let's register a new user. Now we are unable to put username. Test user 01. Email address gonna be test01@test.com. The password 012345 and 012345 for confirming password. Let's register the user. Now you see it's changing the display name from user to test user 01. I will log off and log in once more. It's need username. It's gonna be test user 01 and password 012345. Let's see it work. Yeah, it's worked perfectly, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and also our website melorin.net. In next video I will cover up how to log in the user with Facebook. Thanks for watching once more, and see you next time.